In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and export your Confluence data as an admin. Backups protect your spaces, pages, and attachments from accidental deletions, outages, or migrations gone wrong. So taking a clean export is a smart habit before major changes. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open Confluence while signed in with administrator permissions. If you don't see the admin options in the interface, pause here and confirm your account has the right level of access because standard users won't be able to run a full backup. Next, head to the admin settings. Look for the gear icon or the administration link and enter the site or global administration area. This is where Confluence centralizes configuration and data tools. Inside the admin panel, locate the section for backups, exports, or data management. The exact wording can vary by Confluence edition and version, so you might see terms like backup and restore, export, or data management. If you're unsure, use the admin search bar to find backup or export quickly. Now choose the type of backup you need. If you're preparing for a full migration or want a disaster recovery snapshot, select a complete site backup, including spaces, pages, and attachments. If you only need to preserve a specific area, select a space level export. Pay attention to options that include or exclude attachments and choose the format your environment supports. When in doubt, go with the broader option so you have everything you may need later. Start the backup or export process by confirming the settings and clicking the button to begin. Confluence may warn you about temporary performance impact. If you're exporting a large site, consider doing this during a quieter time window so your teammates aren't slowed down. Now wait while Confluence prepares the backup file. You may see a progress indicator, or you might receive a notification when the export is ready. Large instances can take a while, so keep the admin page open, avoid starting multiple exports at once, and let the system complete its job. When the backup is ready, download the file and store it safely. Save it to a secure, access-controlled location, ideally with a clear name that includes the date and scope, like full site backup YYYMMDD. If a checksum is provided, verify it to ensure the file isn't corrupted. Keep at least 2 copies in separate, trusted locations and use encryption if your policies require it. Avoid sharing the backup over email or unsecured channels, and document where you stored it so your team can find it during a recovery. That's it. You've created, prepared, and safely stored a Confluence backup with confidence.